Hello. Today's session of Body Solution Masters, we're going to be using the Theracane, and we're going to be trying to get into some trigger points on the levator scapula, which is a muscle that goes between the scapula and the top four spinal bones, vertebrae, I should say. If you're somebody who have the issue in your shoulders and it goes up and down as soon as you have issues, you will probably have this pain right there in the top of your shoulder. So this is a good way to get in it. So I will be showing this to you in a way where there's good leverage. So I'll have to move my seating here. I'll show you some pictures here so you can see better exactly where these spots are. Okay. So I think it's really good to completely relax as much as you can when you're doing massage. So we're just going to lower down our spine and really be in a slouch position. And then we're going to bring the elbow to the table. And we're going to find a place there on it and feel very firm. This area needs to be very firm. And then we're going to take the stick in the hand. We're going to take the stick. Again, this arm is really the lever that kind of just stays in one place. And then we use this one to push forward and back to create some tension. You don't need to go back and forward if you learn to use your body to move into the point. And that's how we're really going to try to do it mostly, is move into the point. So now we just have to try to find that point as I showed you the pictures. I'll show them again now. It's just there, that top corner of the clavicle, of the scapula. And we just want to find it and then slowly just push up into it with your body. So you're down and then you push up and down and push. And I'm creating some tension here. I'm pushing this one forward. So I'm pushing. So we go push. And of course the breath needs to be going. I'm going to just try to do this a few times without talking. Oh. Always feel free to make moans and all that. I do that. As I say, this is an issue for me. So just try to get there, and as many times as you can. You can make them longer and just hold them. You can hold these points up to 30 seconds if you like. Just hold it and then let go. It's also a good way to do it. So hold it in there and then let go. Hold it and let go. Good. And always best to kind of prepare the area or lid or go around it, using some of the other techniques that I've showed you in other videos. If you haven't seen them, go and check them out. So now we're going to go ahead and move up to the other four attachments on the vertebrae, on the 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the vertebrae. And we're going to get up and just try it again. Try just to imagine, and you've seen the pictures, I'm showing you them now, and just try to imagine if you can find that place. It's a blind spot, of course, your body, but you can use your inner eye to find these places. So again, we just go ahead and try to keep this hand nice and still and stiff, and use the other hand to make leverage by pushing it forward and pulling it back. And then here you also can just kind of lean into it and lean into it. Lean into it and breathe, of course. Lean into it. Oh. And just really go up and down it a couple times. Just go all around. You don't need to be in a specific point. It's not an exact point. You're just going around. It's going to work. And maybe do it again after you've done it a few times fast. Try to hold it. Hold it. All right, of course, try to do some, warm it up and cool it down afterwards. All right, and really, from all of this type of doing massage, self-massage, try to be relaxed as much as you can. If you get all tense somewhere, realize you have to stop and let that go, because you don't want to create more tension while you're trying to release it. Thank you very much for joining me, and subscribe, as I said before, and if you would like to get in touch with me for private coaching, anything like that, you can scroll down and find the information there. Thank you so much, and have a great day.